I'm Adam Enticknap, and we're at MGP Caliper Covers headquarters in San Diego, and we're gonna do an install on a 2016 Honda Accord Sport with my brand new red and black full custom covers. So the first thing we wanna do is we wanna take these little 3/8 bolts right here, loosen these up just so they got a little bit of space. We're gonna take our caliper cover front clips out. We're gonna take our full custom caliper cover. We're gonna just slide it right over the top like this. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna stick this caliper clip right here all the way forward. And the next one, we're gonna grab our other clip and we're gonna lean down here and just slide that thing in. Take our nice little 3/8 wrench here, tighten this down. Nice and snug. It's got a lock washer for you. Okay, inside your package, you should get a little piece of paper like this. And what you're gonna do is take it behind your clip, between your disc, and you're gonna slide it in there. Oh, we got plenty of clearance. So everything looking good. That is a front install on our 2016 Honda Accord Sport. Let's move to the back. We're on to the rear install for the 2016 Honda Accord Sport. The first thing we're gonna grab for these rear ones is our clips. So we're gonna slide our first ones on here. Okay, take our custom caliper cover. Slide this on like so. That went on perfect. Take our 3/8 nuts, screw these things down. Take our 3/8 wrench. Okay, and then the last step, take your little piece of paper. One of the most important things, make sure you got plenty of clearance. Okay, we're looking good there. All right, and now we're gonna install the wheels.